Hey everybody, I have a pretty exciting announcement to make. I feel like this is breaking news. I'm super excited to share it with you. I believe it was just released a few hours ago, the statement from one of the owners of Hershey Farm. So I'm going to read you some of the information I took down to share with you guys. I'm so excited about this rebuild. I'm so relieved for them and for all of us who love Hershey Farm. So let's get to it. First, I'm going to tell you when they hope to be done, and that is May of 2024, so that's less than a year, so that's really exciting, and actually they have a lot to do. I'm going to be impressed with how they get this done in less than a year, but they plan on it being another white barn-like structure, kind of like it was before. There'll be 3 sections. I'm going to read to you the sections because they're really exciting. They interviewed Daryl Stolfitz, who's one of the owners of Hershey Farm, and so all this is coming from him, and it's on LancasterOnline.com if you want to check it. But here are the 3 sections they're going to have in this new place. Similar, but different. I'm super excited. So they're going to have 3 sections. The first being the central lobby, which will include the retail and the bakery. Not too different than last time. They're going to have another section for the smorgasbord, which will seat about 300 people, I believe. That's the same. They're still offering their good old Pennsylvania Dutch-style food and smorgasbord. But then they're adding on a section that connects to the existing hotel, so completely indoors from the hotel to the restaurant. So this new section that connects to the hotel is going to offer a 100-seat family-style dining area. So I am so happy about this because I love family-style dining, and it went away. So I'm just like over the moon about this. I love family-style. I love sitting with people and just talking and passing plates. It's so awesome. So I'm super excited they're bringing family-style into Hershey Farm. That's a huge breaking news to me. Also, brand spanking new, another breaking news bulletin here. They're going to have a new 50-seat cafe. That's brand new. So you have 3 different dining options with Hershey Farm. They're going to put themselves on the map, possibly one of the most popular restaurants now in Lancaster. They always were very popular, but this is huge. This is a great big deal. So happy to share with you guys. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm super excited. I'm sure you are too. Thanks, Hershey Farm. So glad you guys are coming back.